Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got another 25 things you can ask your Google Home Mini. But yeah, as always, make sure you check out the links for the previous episode and make sure you subscribe, leave a like. But yeah guys, let's begin with the video. As always, I'm going to mute the OK word. But yeah, let's begin. Where can I buy Lego Star Wars?
I found a few places within 7.3 miles. The first one is Smith's Toys Superstores at Airport Retail Park, 2A London Road, Coventry. The second one is Argos Coventry Gallagher at B1, Gallagher Retail Park, Stony Stanton Road, Coventry. The third one is... Okay, cancelled.
How far is Disneyland?
If you drive, Disneyland Paris is 401 miles away.
How long would it take me to walk there?
Walking to Disneyland Paris will take you 3 days and 20 hours.
No thanks. Make me a sandwich.
What I can do is give you detailed instructions on how to make a sandwich. Just ask.
What's your favorite color?
You know that purple that you see in the sky as the sun sets on a warm day? Not that one.
Really? What's your name?
Google Assistant's the name. Helping you is my game.
What gender are you?
Well, I'm actually AI software, so I'm neither. Whoa.
When does Starbucks open?
Starbucks Coffee at 52 Broadgate is open now. They close at 10 p.m.
When will it snow?
There's a good chance of snow in Coventry next Thursday from midnight to 4 a.m. with a break from 1 to 2 a.m.
Ooh, it's gonna be snowy. What's your favorite color? What's my favorite color?
Before I give you that information, I need your permission. You can give it to me in the Google Assistant settings on your phone. Once that's done, ask me again.
What's my favorite color?
I don't know that yet. What's your favorite color?
It's blue.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Remember my lock code? 7262.
Okay, I'll remember that you said my lock code 7 to 62.
Play us a beat.
My friend here can throw down some beats.
Stop. Play YouTube on the TV.
Alright, playing recommended YouTube videos on Office TV.
Call me Iron Man.
You'd like me to call you Iron Man, is that right?
Yes.
Got it. I'll call you Iron Man from now on.
What's my name?
Your name is Iron Man.
How is my day?
Hi, Iron Man. It is 1:55 p.m. Right now in Coventry it's 9 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 10 and a low of 0. Have a good one.
Let's play a game.
Sure, I have a few options for that. Lucky Trivia, Mad Libs, The Wiggles, and more. Which one do you want to try?
Not now.
That's fine.
play Las Vegas videos on the office TV?
Sure, here are some options showing on Office TV. Which one would you like?
Second one.
Okay, playing on Office TV.
How much is a flight ticket to Las Vegas?
Upcoming return flights from Birmingham to Las Vegas start at £580. Do you know what dates you'd like to fly?
No.
Okay, no problem.
When is the next showing of Aquaman?
The closest theatre playing Aquaman is Odeon Coventry Skydome. I can't find any showtimes for today, but there are several screenings on the 12th of December. The first one is at 2:20 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes.
Great. I'm sending a way to buy tickets to your phone.
Okay, Google. Stop.
Nothing's playing at the moment.
What's the meaning of life?
It's somewhere between 41 and 43.
What am I thinking of right now?
You're thinking about the peacock mantis shrimp. And if you weren't before, you are now.
Do you ever get tired?
Unlike you, I don't need any toilet breaks, meals, sleep or maintenance. Other than electronic maintenance, of course.
Are you Siri?
I am not Siri. In fact, in order to get this far, you had to use my real name. Which leads me to believe this might be a trick.
Goodbye.
Toodle pips.
So yeah guys, that was another 25 things you can ask your Google Home Mini. As you can see, you just get tons of stuff, tons of answers, but they're all going to be different for you asking, because depending on your location, your time, where about you are. But yeah, as you can see guys, there's so many things you can ask. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next one guys. Take care.